A high-efficiency top-load washer employs a distinctive impeller wash system to move your load through a mixture of water and detergent. Using less water than a traditional top-load washer, this movement makes your items appear as if they are blooming within the basket. Depending on your load size, items will be saturated but may not be completely submerged in water. This is normal for a high-efficiency washer and still provides excellent cleaning. This example shows a large load. The load is moved from the outside toward the middle, with items coming up in the center and down on the outside edges. Notice how the dark towel is gradually pulled under the surface at the outside and then pushed back up by the wash plate in the center. In this example, a small load is shown. There is more space and water sloshing between items, and you can see the wash plate. However, the items still move up toward the center and down on the outside edges.